In here with hemp coat, just to provide you a little pro tip here for your product. This is the part A that we're going to be dealing with. So if you folks have had this product for any given amount of time and you might have had it upright, there is a good chance that the gypsum had settled all the way to the bottom, that it is a little bit heavier of an ingredient than the oil. So our best recommendation is always, 2 to 3 days before you happen to use it, flip it upside down, store it in room temperature. At the bottom, we flipped it up. I do have this cap open, so in this portion, we are just going to be, in the beginning stages of mixing part A. So as you folks will see, when I open this up, you are gonna have some extra material, some product right here. So we're just gonna go through. Once you've gotten some of this extra material off from the lid and from your sides, then we'll just take a little paint stick, kind of get some of that stuff from the bottom as well. We just want to make sure that we mix the product thoroughly enough. And all right, that should be good for us. All right, it's time to mix. Referencing one of our previous segments, we talked about the different type of tools that we're able to use to mix up. So here I've got this item here with a strong 1/2-inch drill. This is always the best recommended tool for this method right here. I would not recommend doing this with a cordless drill just because you're going to run the risk of burning the drill out. Always take it slow because you don't want to go fast. You could overturn the bucket and you could lose some product and all of that. So we'll get it in there going a little slow. You'll want to mix this at an absolute minimum of 3 minutes. So, as we mentioned before, you don't want to be concerned, or you can't be concerned about over mixing it, but we do want to mix it thoroughly. So making sure that we're getting the sides, getting the bottom,